A very great morning, my dear children. I'm very happy to see you all again. Yes, now Unit 6 has been started, and in the Unit 6 already we have seen the lesson. Yes, everybody. I hope everybody understood the lesson. A long walk to freedom. Now we are going to enter the B reading, which is called the name. It is a poem, Freedom, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and here it's a great poem. Okay, and this poem written in the time of freedom fight, in the time of freedom struggle. People are struggling to get the freedom. Okay, so many freedom fighters are struggling to get the freedom. At the time this poem was written. Okay, and one more thing, this is an alliteration poem. Alliteration means while reading you can understand that. And what is the meaning of alliteration? It says the urgency of the situation. Okay, here everybody needs freedom from the Britishers' hands. Everybody needs freedom. Okay, and here Rabindranath Tagore, he wants to say to the people, we want freedom, we have to fight for it. Okay, now let's go to the topic, then you can understand. Freedom from fear is the freedom I claim for you, my motherland. Here motherland, which means India. Okay, he has compared the India as a motherland. Motherland means here Bharata Mata. Okay, and here Rabindranath compared the India as a motherland. Okay, we want freedom from the fear. Okay, freedom from the fear is the freedom. Okay, here we can see F, freedom from F, fear, F, freedom, F. Okay, this is alliteration, means here I already told you alliteration poem means if you find this type of words frequently, repeated words, that is called alliteration poems. Okay, and here we want freedom from fear. Fear means here we are not expressing our feelings to the Britishers. We have to express the fear must have gone. We shouldn't have any fear. Okay, here Rabindranath is saying that we shouldn't have any fear. I claim for you my motherland. Here I am demanding you my motherland. Here I am demanding you to get the freedom. Okay, he is saying that here I am there for you to get the freedom my motherland. He is saying. Freedom from the burden of ages, bending your head, breaking your back, blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Here, just to see, again B word, okay, B letter, repeated again and again. Means here just to see, burden of ages, bending your head, breaking your back. Yes, and next, beckoning call of the future. These words, the letter, repeated again and again. It says the urgency. What is the urgency? We want freedom. That is the urgency we can find here. Yes, freedom from the burden of ages. From the long back ego, from the long back, we are bearing the weight on our head. Because who are giving the weight to us? The Britishers kept lot of weight. Weight means here they are not giving freedom for us. What they are telling to us, just we are doing what they are saying. Okay. Here we want freedom from the burden of ages. Means so many years we are struggling to get the freedom. And bending your head. We are like this. Okay. Before freedom we are like this. Okay. We want freedom to get up our head. Okay. We have to raise up. That is freedom. We have to raise up our head. Breaking your back and blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. And there is a bright future for us. It is calling us and it is beckoning. Beckoning means giving signals. Bright future is giving signal to us. But what we are doing, and simply we are not looking at it. Our motherland, our people not looking at the bright future. We are not giving any pressure to the government. What is the government? British government. We are not giving any pressure. We want freedom. We are not giving any pressure Okay. Yes, from the long chains we want freedom. Okay, and here still slumber means sleeping. The people are sleeping. Sleeping means here the laziness. They don't want to get the freedom. So many members, what the British says, simply we are following those rules. Okay, we have to revolt it. We have to revolt it. We have to show our rebellion towards the government. But simply we are listening what they are saying to us. And freedom from the shackles of slumber, wherewith you fasten yourself night's stillness. Here, simply you are pushing yourself into the darkness. Okay, oh my motherland, my people, you are pushing yourself into the darkness. Okay, you have to come out from the darkness. No, but you are yourself pushing to the darkness. It is not at all correct. You have to get freedom. Mistrusting the star that speaks of truth, adventurous paths. Here, you are mistrusting. What is that star? Mistrusting means here there is no trust. Who is that stars? Who is the stars here? Those are freedom fighters. They are showing that adventurous path. Okay, they are showing to us adventurous path. Okay, we have to believe them, but we are not believing them, and we are thinking that, oh God, the Britishers definitely kill us. You are thinking like that. You are mistrusting the freedom fighters. You have to trust on them. You have to struggle along with them. Mistrusting the star, speak of truth, adventurous paths. Okay, they are providing adventurous path. What is the adventurous path? They are struggling for the freedom. Okay, you have to go along with them, but you are not trusting them. Freedom from anarchy of destiny. Here, anarchy means, that is, we are thinking that fate. Fate means here, vidirata. We are thinking that. Freedom, we want freedom from anarchy. Anarchy means lawlessness. There is no law. Okay, ilanti arachakatvam nunchi we have to get the freedom. Yes. Whose sails are weakly yielded to blind, uncertain winds, and help to hand you are rigid and cold as death. Here, see the comparison we can find here, the Rabindranath Tagore comparison. The sails are weakly yielded. Here, he has compared our lives with ship. Okay, and the ships are going when the winds comes. There is no destination for the wind. There is no destination for the ship. Okay, the wind is coming in this way, so it is going in this way. With the wind coming in this way, and the ship is going in this way. As the wind comes, it's going in its way. It doesn't have any destination. And here, what is the intention of Rabindranath Tagore here? Whatever the words and they are giving to us. Who is that? The Britishers. What they are saying to us? We are going on their way. What they are giving? Pressure. We are just moving to their way. Okay? We are not struggling. He is saying. Yes, freedom from anarchy of destiny, and whose sails are weakly yielded and blind, uncertain winds. There is no certainty. There is no certainty at all. They are saying that going this way means we are going. Okay, and they are saying going this way means we are going in this way. Okay, and we are following those rules. That is not at all correct. You have to get freedom from those anarchy of destiny. Yes, freedom from the insult of dwelling in puppets world. Okay, we want freedom from where insult dwelling in puppets world. And here the Rabindranath is treating that India as a puppets. Okay, just they are giving rules. The Britishers are giving rules. As they are giving rules, just as a puppets you are moving. You are not at all struggling. Okay. Freedom from insult of dwelling puppets world. In this puppets world, what they are saying, just you are moving. You don't have any mind. You are not using your mind. What they are saying, simply you are moving yourself. somebody is making the puppet show. Have you seen ever? Okay, somebody will make the puppets to do. Okay, if the what is it? Puppeteer will make the puppeteer makes the puppets to move like this. Okay, then only the puppets will do with the action. Okay, like this. If there is no puppet, means puppeteer, the puppets will not move. Okay, here the Britishers are making it to move. According to their words, they are moving. And here what he is saying, that brainless while repeated through mindless habits. Here they are not having any brain. The Britishers, they don't have any brain. You are also behaving like them. Okay, you are not using your brain. Okay, this is our country. We have to struggle for our country. He says that. Where figures wait with the patience and obedience for master shows. Okay, and here you are waiting like an obedient fellow. Okay, in a respect way, you are waiting when my master comes. Who is the master? The Britishers. Okay, you are waiting for the masters. For the Britishers, you are waiting. They will give the rules for us. I will follow as it is. You are thinking like that. You shouldn't do like that. You have to get the freedom. Yes, and to be stirred into a mimicry life. Here, in this world, they are giving rules to you, to your life. As they are saying, just simply you are imitating them. Okay, this is the poem here. What is the poem? Freedom. We want to get the freedom. Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, you are waiting, still patience. You are waiting with patience. When my master comes, who is the master? Britisher. My master will come and he will give the rule. I will follow it. Simply you are following like that. Yes, you shouldn't do that. You have to struggle for your freedom. My motherland, you have to struggle for freedom. He is saying to everyone in the time of freedom fight. He has explained in this poem. Okay, about the Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, he was born on 1861 and died on 1941. He is one of the best known Indian writers who wrote both mother tongue Bangla and English. He has written his poems or novels in Bangla and his own mother language and in English also. He was a poet, playwright, novelist, painter, educator, musician. Okay, multi-talented here. He is a multi-talented person. Just to see, he was a poet, playwright, novelist, painter, educator and musician. Okay, he translated the collection of poems, his poem Geetanjali, which was published in 1912. Okay, and here collection of poems he has written. Okay, at that which time? On 1912. On 1912 he has written the poem Geetanjali. Immediately the next year in 1913 he has received the Nobel Prize. Yes, in 1913 he was awarded the Nobel Prize for his literature. Okay, for his literature, for his poem. What is the